Hello everyone, how are you all? So now today we are at world famous Paradise Hotel. The most celebrities loved and visited this restaurant. So this restaurant was started in 1953 in a small canteen and a cafe and a cinema theater called Paradise. Since then, this restaurant has took up many transformations, and you can see on the wall. This is the wall of the city of palaces, pearls, where the restaurant has started in 1953, and this is the wall of celebrities where who liked this Paradise restaurant, Paradise Biryani. Now so even Sachin Tendulkar visited Paradise Biryani, and this restaurant is into Limca Book of Records as well. Now once we are into the lobby now, which is a very clean, neat and sanitized. Now let's move into the dining part. And this is one small part of the restaurant where we had our dinner here, and which is cleanly maintained and social distancing is maintained. And this dining is also properly sanitized. And this is what we have ordered: chicken treat. By the time we get the order and look into the what are the dishes we get in the chicken treat, let's have a look at the restaurant walls. It was a little interesting, the walls, the pictures on the walls. Just I clicked them. Let's get into the menu. So starting from the soups, we have starters, kebabs, main course, desserts, papad fried, accompaniments, all these things we have. But we order chicken treat. Now let's look into what we have got in the chicken treat. That is 2 handi biryanis, 1 butter chicken, chicken 65, and 1 salan we got, mirchi ka salan, and curd, raita, and onion salad, and 4 butter naans. These are the things, these are all the items which we got. Let's get into the tasting part.
Hi viewers, now we are going to have uh, chicken treat in Paradise Hotel. So chicken treat lo meeku chicken varieties biryani, chicken biryani, తర్వాత బటర్ చికెన్, తర్వాత చిల్లీ చికెన్. సో టేస్ట్ చూద్దాం.
One second.
బటర్ చికెన్ చాలా జ్యూసీగా ఉంది. అల్టిమేట్గా ఉంది, చాలా బాగుంది. వేడివేడిగా బిర్యానీ. వెన్న తిన్నట్టే ఉంది, అలాగే కరిగిపోతుంది. చాలా బాగుంది బిర్యానీ. అందుకే ప్యారడైజ్కి చాలా మంచి పేరు, వరల్డ్ ఫేమస్ బిర్యానీ అండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇందుకే సూపర్, బాగుందా? మీరు కూడా ప్యారడైజ్కి వచ్చి చికెన్ ట్రీట్ మర్చిపోకండి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? సో బిర్యానీ అయితే చాలా టేస్టీగా ఉంది. ఇట్స్ వెరీ యమ్మీ. కొంచెం గీ ఫ్లేవర్ ఉంది. సో ఎవరికైతే గీ ఫ్లేవర్ నచ్చుతుందో వాళ్ళకైతే చాలా బాగా నచ్చుతుంది.
And we clicked some pictures with the restaurant staff. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.